Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay, and that's true, things are for sale.
In collaboration with a couple of our trusty partners, we've built this awesome G80 behind us. So the car was originally, it's an LCI car, so it's new. It's originally gone down to R44 and they've hooked him up with the styling side of it. We needed an intake for the car, so we got in touch with the guys from Ramair and did the Pro Ram carbon intake, similar to our M2, which sounds the best out of the lot, I think. The open cones give a bit more noise. Naturally, the car then needed to come down to us to sort the stance out. So we've done the Motech Stance lowering springs front and rear. So it's a 30mm front drop and a 10mm rear drop. Wheels were the last bit of the car that were really lacking at that point. The rest of it looked absolutely phenomenal, but the wheels were really letting down that final image. So we needed to step it up, and we did that by going with 20 and 21-inch M-W4s. We've done Satin Black against the Isle of Man Green, which looks awesome. That color contrast is really, really nice. Paired up with the Yokohama tires to finish it off perfectly. I really like this one. We were having a discussion earlier. We've got a couple of cars down at the unit at the minute, and actually a G80 in a nice bright color like this, I don't think it gets much better than that. But let me know, out of all the M cars, what would you go with? Are you M2, M3, G80, or are you stepping it up to an M5? Let us know.
So it is true, like all small businesses, we need to keep moving and evolving. We're currently coming up to September 2025. We've done everything we need to do with the two cars behind me. The M2 has been with us for about 8 months and it's had a great transformation, very well received. Been to Holland twice, been to 2 BMW shows, been to Piston Head show, been in the Work magazine, been at Gravity show, and it is complete. We've done a number of different wheels onto it, from neodyme to the gloss polish to the indigo. There's a complete breakdown of everything we've done, and obviously all the parts listed. But it's got to go. I think it's done a little over 3,000 miles. It's an individual Grigio Terresto. It's quite a rare car. We'd love to sell it as it is, still keeping it part of the family so we can always use it for shows and stuff. To the right, the 911. This has also been a brilliant car. This has been an entry car for us to sort of move into other brands, such as not just BMW, but showing we can do stuff for Audis, Porsche, Aston Martin. So it's very, very well done and very well received, and definitely helped elevate the business in the right direction for the wheels. Car is actually leaving us today. It's actually going to ATP Cars. They have it on SOR. They sold the R8 within a couple of weeks. They've been absolutely brilliant. I like them, Matt and the guys there. So they will be taking this one. This one will stay for us for a little longer, but it is for sale. This one is going, which actually means there might be 2, maybe 3 new demo cars joining us towards the end of the year, beginning of next, and 2 new wheels. Can you guess down below what they're going to be?